I make some macaroni and cheese, and everybody can do this. I just added a little twist to mine, and yeah, hope you guys like it. So I add onion powder to my boiling water, so you can try that too. I strain my macaroni as per usual. Then I put it back on the fire and I add my milk and butter to it. Now what this does is it keeps the macaroni kind of warm and kind of cooking, so you don't really want to cook it too much that it gets extremely soft when you add the milk. Add my regular Kraft cheese to it, and then I put some sliced cheese in there to make it extra cheesy and nice and creamy. And that's pretty much it, guys. Boom, you're done. See you guys next time.
Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make some oxtail, some real Jamaican oxtail. So first you want to start by cutting off all the fat. It's easier to cut off the fat when it's frozen, so all the white bits, that's fat. You don't want none of that, so cut it off. As you can see, a couple of them had some meat in there, so when I was done, I went back and I picked them out because oxtail too expensive to be wasting it. Then you want to rinse it off, pour off the water, and you want to get a lime or something. It's better to have a lime. I prefer it over lemons. You want to squeeze that over it, and you want to rub it around again, mix it around in the water. You can let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then you pour it off and wash it again. That's what I did because, you have to get all the impurities out. You have to wash it. Then you want your seasonings. You want onion, garlic. I use 2 pegs of garlic. And you want to use the Badia Complete seasoning and Maggi because it's not Jamaican food without the Maggi seasoning. Grace, browning, it have to be grace. A little goes a long way with browning, so be very careful. Then you want to mix it all up, all the seasonings, all the onion and all of that. Just mix in there. Then you want to get some Scotch bonnet and thyme, because again, it is not Jamaican food without Scotch bonnet and thyme. Put that in there. You want to cover it and let it marinate for a few hours. Like for part 2.
I cook curry chicken and dumpling and rice in a one pot.
can't lose no weight. Me not tell a girl, me know me not go crazy. The people them say, when 7 o'clock come, if I stop eat, me starve myself and nearly dead in my house. Look, most ambulance come pick me out of the house. The people them go back again and them say, me fi eat bare vegetable, me eat bush till me tired, me still I get big and fat. Crazy. Look here, somebody help me and talk to me. See there, somebody, yeah, when I say eat protein, can't help me. Don't care what me do. Don't care. So you see Oliver say drink water, me drink gallon.
The best oxtails that you will ever have. And yes, extra gravy me, please. First, you're going to start by cutting up a bell pepper. Then you're going to cut up some green onions or a scallion. Then you're going to cut up some white onions, scotch bonnet pepper, fresh garlic, some thyme. And now I got my oxtails from H Mart. Please make sure you wash and clean your oxtails. Then you're going to add your minced garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, browning, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, the nice spice oxtail rub. You got to have that, and you're going to mix that well. That's how your oxtail should look. Then you're going to add the green onions, thyme, and white onions, nice and flavorful oxtails. You are going to brown your oxtails for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add hot water to your oxtails. Turn it down and let it cook. You're going to check your oxtails every 30 to 45 minutes, and you need to add hot boiling water to your oxtails. Do not add cold water at all. You are going to keep checking your oxtails until they are tender. Now, do not use a pressure cooker. I recommend you cooking these bad babies nice and slow. Then you're going to add your seasoning and your your butter beans with some ketchup and beef bouillon. Y'all see how bomb that's looking already? You're going to cover it. Let that cook for about 30 more minutes. Do y'all see them oxtail? It is falling off of the bone, baby. This is how your oxtail should look. Fall off the bone. Nice and flavorful. And we need extra gravy. The recipe for the rice and peas is on the previous post. And yes, I need extra gravy all over my rice. Basically, I want oxtail soup. That's how much gravy I need. Do y'all not see how bomb that looks? This was not a quick and easy recipe. And y'all got to get the nice spice oxtail blend. It will give you the most flavorful oxtail that you ever had. This is not up for debate. Do y'all see how bomb that look? Do y'all see that gravy? Do y'all see that oxtail falling off of the bone? This was so good, and it tasted better the next day. Get the nice spice now.
go cook some food. You want food?
What type of food you cook?
May I cook curry chicken and dumpling and rice in a one pot.
Oh, fine, wonderful. You can go. You have food. Any food or food?
This is how to make my spiced pineapple guava glazed Christmas ham. First, warm a semi-boneless ham in a baking tray with a little water and cover with foil so it doesn't dry out. Bake for 20 minutes per pound at 325. Now for the glaze. Add brown sugar, guava preserves, mustard powder, pimento, cloves, pineapple juice, thyme, rosemary, fresh ginger, black pepper, and a pinch of salt to a saucepan and simmer on low until it looks like this. When the ham is nice and warm through, score it by cutting shallow lines to make a pineapple design. Don't forget to drain the liquid, but reserve a few tablespoons for later. Stick the ham all around with cloves, then pour over half the glaze. Dress the ham with pineapple slices and maraschino cherries, securing with toothpicks, baste, then put it back in the oven on a higher heat to get some color. Make a slurry with the reserved ham liquid and cornstarch to thicken the glaze. Pour it over the finished ham, slice and enjoy.
Back at it again, make them know say I done the place, and me are the top chef, Look at that. As you can see right there, that's some beef kidney right there, as me I say. That we are go bad up with some yam and dumpling and green banana. You see me I say, a whole heap of food I cook today, Yeah, so you just go and dice up the kidney in the meantime, because we have some whitening to go fry down too. You see me I say, look at that. Yeah, man, you don't know, go and dice up it, man. You see me I say, you don't know, we are going to wash it down with some green lime. You see me I say, you can use vinegar if you like, but a green lime me use. You see me? Wash it down nice. You don't know, you get your onion. You see me I say, you cut up them day night. You see me I say, you go grab your sweet pepper. You go cut up that in night too. You see me I say, look at that. You see me, you get some scallion and all ingredients has been washed thoroughly. Okay, look at that. You get your scotch bonnet pepper, cause this I go spicy. You see me I say, yeah man, you don't know it have a spicy, bad some pimento beans in it. You see me I say, you don't know the thing go. And you go and heat up the pot and drop little oil in it, and then you drop in the pot and then you say, look at that. Yeah man, you don't know you get the sea creature, man, and you just go and clean it up same way. You see me wash that with green lime. Then you get some season together in a bowl and just season it nice and generously. You see me I say? Yeah man, the top chef, man. I mean name done the place, man. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You see me I go try below over there so just go and subscribe over there. Name Top Chef done the place. You see me on YouTube. You see me? Also, my new recipe book is out. The link in the bio. You see me I had to roll up some dumpling in the meantime. Get my recipe book and you can cook like the Top Chef. Look at that. You don't know me have my dumpling tutorial, You don't know, go up on the page at the second video up on the page. You see me, if you don't know if you fry dumpling, boil dumpling. You see me I say, anything about dumpling, me have the tutorial video. You see me I say, go up on the page and follow the page. You see me, look at that. You don't know, peel up with yam. You see me I say, white yam, yellow yam. You see me I say? Drop in at the pot, some sweet potato. You see me I say? Look at that. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing, man. That's how we do it, man. Yeah, man, you don't know you keep your area clean at all time. You see me I say? So the food that go taste nice. You see me I say? Your hands clean at all time. Oh, you hear that? Look at that. So you don't know you put a scotch on the pepper in it and some garlic, season up the eye a little bit. You see me I say? And then you start. You see me I say? Coat the sea creature them and drop them in the pot when the oil hot. And then you say, look at that. You flip them. You see me I say? Yeah, man, I done the place, man. I'm here the top chef, man. I don't know, you know, don't forget to the kidney over this up on the stove. I go and cook down, you know. You don't know, you stir it every now and then. You see me I say, and you flip the sea creature, then make sure they no burn up. You see me I say, and drop the green banana in a pot. You see me I say, because you have to multitask when you're in the kitchen. You see me I say, look at that. Yeah, man, I done the place, man. I'm here the top chef, man. The bad chef, man. Make sure you know follow the page for all of your top chef recipes. As me I say, all of your Jamaican recipes, just like how my granny used to show me back in the days. As me I say, yeah, man, you don't know the thing, man. At the top chef, you see me? And make sure you check out my new recipe book. You see me I say, the link in the bio, you know. You don't know the thing, go. Big up for the support, you see me I say. Big up for everybody who have follow the page from where there, you see me? Yeah, man, you don't know I want 10,000 by the year done. So, just follow the page. If you have watched that video and reach this far, just follow the page. Look at that. Yeah, man. You don't know me drop some bad song. I hope you hear the song them I drop from where there, you know. I have couple food song and couple reality song, couple bad man song, couple just some song, man. Yeah, man, I done the place, man. I'm here the top chef, man. You see me I say, yeah, man, you don't know you clean up the place and thing. You see me, you change the aisle. You see me, cause dumpling ready for fry. You see me, I say, yeah, man, me tell them say a whole heap of food we are cooked to them, man. You see me, I say, cause we not playing at the kitchen, you know. You don't know the thing go. We drop them in the pot. You see me, turn down the stove. You see me, I say, you don't know the thing go. When the food done, we are go bingo. Yeah, man, you go and flip them and make sure they no burn up, man. You see me, I say, yeah, man, I done the place. I'm here the top chef, man. And if you want long, in-depth videos, no speed up thing, some long video, hour long, or the amount of time the food take to cook. So the video them long, you see me, I say, so you can cook along. Look at that. So go subscribe to the YouTube channel. The link in the bio for the recipe book. My YouTube channel name Top Chef Done the Place. You see me I say? So go on over there and make me know say you know over there, you see me? Yeah, man, you don't know, man, I done the place, man. I'm here the top chef, man, and you don't know the dumpling them done. You see me I say, we are take them out. Cause at times they have some. You see me I say, sea creature ready right there, so. And the kidney ready over there, so. Me I go share out some plate now. You see me I say, cause you don't know. Yeah, man, at the top chef, man. Look at that, no? Yeah, man, food look nice, eh?